Helminths are the worms. They are the macroscopic multicellular organisms with independent excretory, respiratory, digestive and the nervous system. Both are correct. The anti-helminthic drugs is correct as well as ant-helminthic drugs, both are correct. So helminths are classified into Nemeth helminthus group and the Platyhelminthes group. Nemeth helminthus are basically the roundworms, nematodes. The worms are Ascaris, the hookworm. The other name of hookworm is Nectar americanus, Trichuris trichura, threadworm, seatworm, Strongyloides stercoralis is threadworm, Enterobius vermicularis. Platyhelminthes group. Platyhelminthes group, basically these are the flatworms. Platyhelminthes group is divided into Trematoda or Cystoda. There are two types of flukes, that is the blood flukes or the liver fluke. The other name of blood fluke is Schizotosoma and it causes the disease bilharziasis. The liver fluke is Clonorchis sinensis and it causes liver failure and later on it can cause liver carcinoma. Cystoda group is the tapeworms. The pork tapeworm is Taenia solium. The beef tapeworm is Taenia saginata. Fish tapeworm is Diphyllobothrum latum. And which tapeworm is the smallest in size? Hymenolapsis nana. Hymenolapsis nana is known as dwarf tapeworm. They can act either as the vermifuge drugs or it can act as vermicidal drugs. So the pharmacology of ant-helminthic drugs, the first drug is pyrantel pamuate, other name is levamisole. Mechanism of action is it is nicotinic receptor agonist. It causes the release of acetylcholine by inhibiting which enzyme? Acetylcholinesterase enzyme. Depolarizing neuromuscular blockade will be there. The second drug is the piperazine drug. Mechanism of action is GABA A receptor agonist. Hyperpolarization will be there and the flaccid paralysis will occur. Hyperpolarization of worm muscle, ivermectin. Mechanism of action is chloride channel activation. Drug of choice in Onchocerca volvulus. Onchocerca volvulus can cause the river blindness. Diethylcarbamazine. Mechanism of action is increases the ATP formation. Microtubular structures are altered. Basically, we have the four different mechanisms through which the ant-helminthic drugs can act. The first is it can alter the neuromuscular function, microtubular function. It can alter the calcium permeability of the worm or it decreases the ATP formation. Niclosamide. Niclosamide mechanism of action is it uncouples the oxidative phosphorylation. Niclosamide drug works against the Trematoda group. Next drug is praziquantel. Praziquantel will alter the calcium permeability.